Welcome to Pixie Look, where courage meets beauty and transformation tells a story. Today's video is about one of the most powerful changes a woman can make, the moment she decides to let go of long hair and step into a stunning short style. An extreme pixie cut transformation is never just about hair. It is about confidence, renewal, and the strength to embrace something completely new. Watching long hair fall away is always emotional. Long hair often carries memories, habits, and comfort. Cutting it short feels dramatic because it marks a turning point. When the scissors make the first cut, you can see the emotion in her face. There is excitement, nervousness, and anticipation all at once. This is why long hair to pixie transformations are so captivating. They represent a bold decision and a fresh beginning. A dramatic hair makeover in 2025 is all about intention. Women are no longer choosing short hair just for convenience. They are choosing it for power, style, and self-expression. The modern pixie cut is sculpted, refined, and incredibly chic. It highlights the eyes, defines the jawline, and brings a natural lift to the face. The transformation feels instant, yet deeply personal. Undercut transformations add another layer of drama to the pixie cut. Whether subtle or bold, an undercut changes the entire energy of the hairstyle. It removes weight, adds contrast, and creates a modern edge that feels confident and fearless. Combined with a pixie cut, the undercut creates a look that is striking, fresh, and undeniably stylish. What makes these transformations unforgettable is the reaction. The moment the chair turns, the mirror reveals the final look, and silence fills the room for just a second. Then comes the smile. Sometimes there are tears, sometimes laughter, sometimes disbelief. That reaction is the heart of every incredible hair transformation. It is the moment a woman realizes she looks stronger, brighter, and more like herself than ever before. Short hair has a way of revealing beauty that was always there. With less hair to hide behind, facial features stand out, earrings shine brighter. Makeup looks cleaner. The entire appearance feels lighter and more refined. A pixie cut does not take away femininity. It enhances it in a modern, confident way. In 2025, pixie cuts are becoming more personalized than ever. Textured pixies create softness and movement. Sleek pixies feel modern and polished. Edgy pixies with undercuts add bold character. Each variation tells a different story, and each one reflects the woman wearing it. There is no single perfect pixie. The best pixie cut is the one that fits your personality, lifestyle, and confidence. Extreme hair transformations are powerful because they show bravery. Choosing to cut your hair short is choosing to be seen. It is choosing confidence over comfort and expression over expectation. That is why these videos resonate so deeply. They are not just visual changes, they are emotional journeys. From long hair to pixie cut, the transformation is dramatic, unforgettable, and inspiring. It reminds us that change can be beautiful, that letting go can feel freeing, and that sometimes the boldest choice leads to the most rewarding result. Thank you for watching Pixie Look. If you love dramatic hair makeovers, emotional transformation reactions, and modern pixie cut inspiration, make sure to subscribe and stay with us, because every haircut tells a story, and your next chapter might begin with just one brave cut.